All right, record-setting day on Wall Street with the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the S&P 500 all at record highs. In fact, the Dow is less than 80 points from 25,000. Chris Wolfe at First Republic Private Wealth Management and Joseph Sroka at NovaPoint Capital joining us this morning. I'll begin with you, Chris. Good morning. So do you think the Dow, if it closes above 25,000 today, it would be the shortest span, 23 days, between 24,000 and 25,000? How high is this market going to go?
You know, I think what's driving the market are the three Ps. It's policy, politics, and profits. The policy is all about low interest rates, cheap money. That's going to stay around for a while because there's not a lot of inflation. Politics is all about reducing regulatory burdens right now. That's typically good for profit margins. And finally, the profit story, the culmination of those first two is pretty good. It's going to be up again in 2018. So I think markets can continue to benefit from that kind of backdrop. And until something changes, it may be that markets continue to move higher here.
So I'm taking it as a yes. You think we're closing above 25K today?
Not today. I think it's somewhere in the near future. Markets still have a lot of momentum around good news and profits.
Joe, A, your prediction, and B, I mean, we've got the VIX at the second lowest level in history. Where's the volatility? Where's the fear?
I absolutely agree. The low reading on the volatility index is really what I'm paying attention to in the market right now. The market's really shrugged off a lot of geopolitical events and really stuck to the earnings story. So I think as we move through 2018, the thing to watch for is volatility coming back into the market and a little bit of nervousness starting to shake out. At that point, I think the market gets a little less speculative and concentrates a little more on quality.
You know, it's interesting. At the end of last year, it seemed like a lot of these big technology stocks were losing their amazing momentum that they had earlier in the year. But we're seeing a push again into technology at the start of the new year, Chris, especially with the semiconductors and chip sales. You know, use chips in autonomous vehicles and phones, et cetera. What do you make of the tech sector?
I think it's very interesting. It's a place we're actually overweight in portfolios. We like a lot of the technology that's being used in many different ways. We also think that there's new markets that will see the use of technology, particularly in Europe and Asia. Technology usage has typically been a U.S. story to increase productivity, but we're starting to see inroads in Europe and Japanese companies where they're using a greater degree of technology. And I think the hallmark here is to think about what happens when you have robots for people over the course of the next 5 or 10 years. That's the ultimate use of technology. And ultimately, that's something that's probably very important for China and Asian manufacturing.
I don't want to think about it, but yes, the robot revolution, they're coming. Joe, Bitcoin. This is a very interesting, controversial topic. Wall Street Journal is reporting that Merrill Lynch is banning the trading of certain Bitcoin futures. What do you make of that?
I read the article, and I think what they're doing is they're banning the Bitcoin futures that trade on the CME. And also, I think they're banning their financial advisors from recommending their clients buy the Bitcoin Trust. You know, Merrill has an obligation to recommend only suitable investments to their clients. And obviously, they have a large, diverse group of clients. But if they felt they needed to step in from top down and tell their financial advisors that they couldn't recommend these investments, that's their business decision.
That's pretty scary. I mean, they have issues with the eligibility and the suitability, according to this article about these Bitcoin futures. And as we wrap this up, Chris, obviously it's cold outside, up and down the East Coast. We're hearing that in New England, there could be some fuel shortages. We've seen the price of oil go up the past month or so. Where do you think oil is headed in the new year?
You know, our view is that as the economy picks up, we're likely to see the demand story pick up a little bit. We've started to see more interest in supply coming online as well. So markets are likely to stay in balance with oil a little bit higher.
Chris, Joseph, thank you, and good luck today in your travels.
Thank you.
Thank you. Stay safe.